Do you know the vote they got in 2016? 88,000 or 2012, 88,000.
Wow.
NDC.
Yes.
For the NDC.
Wow.
When we are listening to the result and it came from there, my heart was like, oh, 88,000. You see, this is the way our Ashanti people behave then. They actually behave like how the colonials, our forefathers, they were ruled. That they put gun, they pretend that when you move, this thing will shoot you. They are telling them this is gun. That is what the Okujeto and Kos have done to them. And now they will be regretting. You have gold in your country, but you were like, Akufo-Addo or MPP is not doing anything for you. Now look at what is happening. Okujeto, who is not doing anything at Mepe battle, is not doing anything there. Mele nana kan wala o constituency no. Taka amaya hava kwa lakpa. You don't know Okujeto because he lies. That is why he is become a bad person. He lies. That is why he is losing hair and he has.
Wow.
When the fact is there, our Ewe brothers and sisters will not let us speak. Me, I'm typical Ewe. Everything about me is Ewe. Let me tell you one secret. Let me tell you something. It's not because of the reason why Juju works for Ewe, we Ewes very well is that we love when we are like let me learn what when we love the thing, when you are going for the thing, you go with all your
With
heart
all
and
your heart.
everything. So even if you go to the person you are going to, the gods you are going to, the vim you are going there with, even if you are in the problem, if you are in the problem and you call for that juju, the juju will respond for you.
Yeah.
We are not like this one. When we are going for something, we go wholeheartedly. Unlike other people that they go 50-50. That is why we don't fear anything. Yes, we don't fear anything. Wherever we are, the gods are following us because they know we devoted ourselves, everything for them. Why will you, the Ashantis, you claim MPP is for you? If they don't want it, they should give us. They should give us and we will make MPP better party. Because we cannot sit down here for NDC to be ruling us again. Who doesn't know? You see, if you anyone who is willing to accept his ex back, his or her ex back, it's either you are ready to drink poison and die, or you'll be stamped by your ex.
That's all.
The Bible said the enemy or the devil comes to kill, destroy, and steal. That is what this man doesn't have any future again. He's just coming to steal, destroy, and then they kill us with hunger. Then he said, bye bye. You'll be laughing. You see how he laughs. So, the voice, for me, let's voice this to our Ashanti people that 2028, no matter who we project as our candidate, they should not sit down in their house refusing to go and vote.
That's all.
Or else we the people from voter region will invoke our gods on them. We invoke our gods on you people. Anyone who doesn't want to vote 2028, we will invoke. And we for us here, we don't joke. So let's if you don't want to follow MPP, sit down, join another party and give us the party. We will make it a better party. Because we cannot sit down next 2028. These people, they don't have any candidate to project again. Now, I told you they are coming to collapse because Keta also very soon, what is happening, they will be angry. They will be angry because NDC has never done anything to them. So 2028, they will do the same thing they've done to them 2020, that they refused to go and vote. That's why they lost. So it will happen 2028 again. So let's keep mute. I don't want us to speak about it. If they still want to destroy everything, it should be our happiness within. Let us not voice it out. I'm a Votarian.
God bless you.
I don't want their downfall. I don't want anybody's downfall. But when you want your downfall, I will help you. I'm just as simple. It's just as simple as ABC. If you want, I'm trying that, bro. This is not good. Yes, no, I'm not spoiling the case because since when has NDC from the day of JJ Rollins, how many years has he spent in governance? When he was a military leader and up to when he was a democratic, when he was a democratic leader also. What has he done? He's coming from Keta and where the thing is happening is not even a stone, it's just a stone thrown. He has never done anything there. Where you are coming from? So if now you are telling me that, oh, I should pray that nothing happened to them, who am I? Even the person who was in power doesn't do anything for you people. But when you go there, they say
Hey.
Andy. They never hear that name, Andy.
A food I send you, me to your own.
So
The boys
let's
can hear TV, can hear
Boys,
TV.
you go talk
oh, Debbie. And you say on kind of
We
TV.
go.
Obache say
The
you
thing-
just
Traso. But
We
So-
have repented. We from their accounts, we have repented.
let's support the sea. I told you God just want to disclose or let us know these people. So let's support the sea tidal waves to continue doing its work. It is nature. It is nature. It is from God. I thank everybody. Voice delay ko do me fanam.
I teach you, mentor the day.
Enye kwa support to ante never communicate alo.
Benyala, I teach you.
Next time me JV ko post and you can also get more higher than him.
You mentioned nothing. Akweka 2 men. All right, thank you, Maswin. 3 minutes. Then sorry,
Vigo has spoiled the case.
I'm very sorry. Oh, you're not but three crowd.
F1.
Before the zero job for you.
Oh, say
I know that's your last stop.
F1 You movie be yourself and a Clash of the Titans. But movie no. You are quite be say God of the Sea, Poseidon. So I don't know what you are for now. Mestre say adwuma no nya no fast na. No ye no kwai slow. I can for bub ya na ya say unu ekọ situation but sometimes on you say afutu nsachre ni pa gise nsọhwe. You see it has gotten to a point to say MPP were power, voter raging were problems. But NDC bar problems ni na akọ. Do you really think says MPP na what power anka even citizens na wo honom no almost starting year videos.
Incredible.
And come started year videos, but you see sometimes kasa bebre we bet make say be heartless because you don't feel the pain and call for come. But yes sir, we were trying our possible best to say even this election no we were even projecting say at least voter will be able to make about 25% this time around. But see what happened. Yeah. Look at what happened. Guyanima sepoto. Poto.
Do you know what you reminded me of?
Tell me.
The night of 7th December. I think some people here were live. I was live. And I walked from here to my police station. That evening, before God and man, I was 100% sure, say, we were going to win the election. When I got to the police station, hey!
You were shocked, eh?
Hey, MPP 6. Now
wow.
MPP 9 now 600 or something. That's my police station, though. Then I was 10. I was live. The people were asking me, "Oh, how is it good?" I said, "Oh, it is good. It's good." It's good. I didn't want.
After cry, Ubo figure no cry after. What the mami feel on because I was a case and I had some way be to the mami feel on. I remember sa hard you no so no.
All right.
I am there. Here is the we were mania. Obi to me cause spiritual realm ko who say Christians and I am majority in parliament. I was so. Christians na majority otumi wura realms no ta nimpa kro ya atumi awale miensa wantumi ahu se awale ya mekọ wale ye begu the same person sometimes you to abibi phone ye na a problem you to me flight every year eco France eco Eiffel Tower ko twitwa pictures just for tourism
chapo we cry friend say not down
now go Spain, Vatican, you can say Italy. People go there.
Yeah.
Most of the time, I say be popo just for tourists. They pay money.
Where pope there? The only person
They
who has
pay money.
seen the Pope on a silver platter is Otabaomiao. I don't know what's our records.
They pay money. But National Cathedral started say ba in some yet see wo kromi hano.
You see, I say to Krone is here.
They say a swimming pool. Nti ye na de ye ba be si we na ye ko haja once. And I know be kano. Na Felesofosu kwache de I never knew say sana airport na ye private company. I never knew.
They are
Say
telling us their
taxpayer
plans.
biasika taxpayer biasika nko metama so dem amen drop it cause na one farm them.
Oh, David, do 1 minute 30 seconds more, then we go.
Okay. Tax na esika nkom no airport ho na nka say eye hwan dia anya Ghana for dia. Ndi ticket na yetwa no say sika na yefa na ekọ anya aban sika. Ndi obetwere we ne
Loan na EDC terminate no. Enye, are you know the ones paying it back?
sometimes nsem wo mutumi ka odwene ho a wonte ase. Sometimes ebu obetumi akasa obi badwin say say wonkwa na odwin mintumi hu so mo ba ban ma na ye say nyansa
Radio, almost that Rebecca, not at all, microphone in Trimuketu. So that be ya.
Maswin, you are muted.
omo opposition omutumi ka nsem ne man nsem ni sisi so tumu say oh akwa will make sense but onya ba power dan kwasa asem nko a sa we yodo ko to me hu say plus nso be me ono no ya me mpese me de na asem be ya asem.
Okay, person can plus there 000votes beka abi o say we there David.
Why Domelevo
000.
ono so be kan bi.
Yes, he said that.
Oh,
No, as for this
was
one there,
against an answer for.
it was against. It was against.
Oh, okay. 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 Because
Enoni.
Position. Voice.
Enoni.
Awuna. Your man no permanent position pe obeyedi.
the voice or the mama family see echina me bantem.